This is a juniper tree. It's a fairly good survival tree because if you're out and you're hungry, you can actually take these juniper berries and eat the skin off of them. The skin is edible. The inside is a hard seed, so it doesn't digest, so you just eat the outside of it. Then if it's cold weather, you're exposed to the weather, then you can use this as tinder to start a fire. I'm not going to take any off of there, but here's a piece down here. If you were to take this bark off of it and crumble it up, it makes excellent tinder to start a fire with.